Welcome to automotive.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you QniTubeAction software, which can support you in increasing views, likes, comments, subscribers for your videos on YouTube automatically. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to increase views for your YouTube video automatically with our software. After downloading and installing the software, you will log in with username and password provided, and you will see the interface here. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any function. The first one is run. Run is the number of times that you want the software to run. If you set it at the default, the software will run automatically continuously until you stop it manually. And you can put any number here, for example 1000. Next is tracks. Track is the number of accounts that run at the same time. For example, I put 5 here. 5 accounts will be logged in with different IDs and watch your video at the same time. You need to provide the number of tracks that complies with your computer configuration here. And next is time human video. The unit here is milliseconds, so with the value of 50,000 to 150,000 here, that's the real time is 50 seconds to 150 seconds. Next is time view related video. After watching your video, the software will view related video randomly. So with the value here, you will put the appropriate time. For example, 7,000 to 10,000 means 7 seconds to 10 seconds. Next is devices section. There are 2 options for you here, and when you select desktop, at user agent desktop section, you will upload the user agent files that we have provided. This is desktop shown user file you see, and you click on this icon, select this file. Similarly, when you select mobile at devices section, so you will upload the mobile Android file here. At user agent mobile, click on this icon, select the text file. Next is proxy or Dcom G4 section. There are 5 options for you here, and when you select Dcom, you need to set the number of tracks at 1, and you need to attach the Dcom to your computer. Next is use proxy. When you select this, you need to import proxy with Gmail accounts. We will instruct you in this video later at Gmail account section. Next is file proxy. When you select file proxy at file proxy section, you create a text file to save proxy. For example, these are proxies that we want to use, and then click to save. And at file proxy section, click on this icon, select the proxy file created. Next is web proxy. At web proxy section, you will paste link address of proxy you rent here. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent proxy. And finally, when you select no, the software will use the IP of your computer to run. Next, at use Gmail section, in case you select yes, at Gmail account section, you will create a text file to save Gmail accounts that you want to use. So the format here is Gmail address. Comma password, comma recovery mail. And in case you want to use proxy with Gmails here, you will enter commas IB :port or IB :port proxy username proxy password. Similarly, you will enter the other Gmails and IBs. Then click to save. At Gmail account section, you click on this icon, select the Gmail account text file created. And in case you don't want to use Gmail, you will select No at Use Gmail section. At non-Gmail profiles, you set up like this 1-2000. The software will create 1-2000 profiles to gain trust from YouTube. Anyway, you should use Gmail accounts or Gmail cookies. It's better for you to increase views. Next is folder cookies and folder data. You will create new folder, name it as cookies. Then you will click on this to get the path and paste it into the folder cookies section. Similarly, you will create a new folder and name it as data. Then click on this, get the path and paste it into folder data section. Next, a cookies or profile section. You select cookies when you rent cookie from us at the first run. And in case you select profile, you remember to select yes at create profile section. In case you only select cookies, the cookie will expire in the period of time, so you need to switch to profile after all Gmail cookie has been logged in to avoid views like sub-dropped and gain trust from YouTube. Next, these are sections that you will select yes at the functions that you want to run. In this video, we will select yes at view video. Next is key captcha section. You just leave it at the default. Next, at rent Gmail section. In case you don't have Gmail accounts, you can rent Gmail cookies from us. Please visit autobotstore.com to see Gmail cookies packages, and you will receive a text file of Gmail cookies after making payment. At rent a cookie section, click on this icon, select the rent a cookie provided, and remember, select cookie at the first run at cookie or profile section, and after all Gmail cookie have been logged in, you will switch to profile to gain trust from YouTube. Now I will select cookie for the first run. Next is view per Gmail section. This is the number of views that you want each Gmail runs for your video. So I will put 2 to 5 here. Each Gmail will provide 2 to 5 views for your video. Next is human activity section. When select yes, the software will simulate real users. And next is skip ads. You select yes, the software will skip advertisement on YouTube. Next is clear caches. When the memory of your computer is full, you can select yes to clear caches to make space for your computer. Now I will select no. Next, we will instruct you to run with view methods. There are 6 view methods here, and now we will run with direct. So at view method, you will select direct. Next, at list video section, you will create a text file to save links of video that you want to watch. For example, this is the video that I want the software to increase views. The views now is 76. Then copy the link, paste it into this file, and then click to save. And at list video section, click on this icon, select the link video text file created. And at devices, I select desktop. At proxy or Dcom, I select web proxy. At view video, I select yes. At run Gmail, I select yes. Then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software watch your videos to increase views and watch times for your YouTube video.
Now we will back to the video to check view updates. You can see the view increased to 82 now. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to increase view for your YouTube video with our software QniTubeAction. You can visit artofsoftware.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.